Cloud or local? Should you buy your time and expense tracking software from a cloud vendor or from a locally installed vendor? Or you can always go build it yourself, which is probably a bad idea. A question to ask is, how capable is our IT staff and our IT capability, our IT infrastructure at our company? If you're using our cloud service, and any cloud service vendor really, you can be sure that they're doing backups. And you can ask them for their Type 2 SSAE 16 audit document once you're a customer that will demonstrate to them their process that they use for going through backups, and that they have these processes audited by reputable auditing vendors and that sort of thing. Some people, for various reasons, have decided that they want to install things locally, and that's cool. Why would you want to install things locally? Because you don't trust the internet, don't trust cloud vendors, don't trust your own people maybe in the way that they are using the internet. There are a variety of reasons that people have for doing that. You've already got the servers and you've got the people and it's no big deal. You'd rather have the data locally. Who do you trust more, yourself or your vendor? When it comes to doing backups, my experience is you probably want to trust the vendor. The advantage of being in the cloud is that you're paying this monthly fee and you can forget about it. They're not always perfect at it. Hackers will find a way. Now, are they more likely to break into your existing stuff that you've installed on your own servers? Or are they more likely to break into some cloud vendor that you're using for CRM or timesheets or whatever? I think that's a difficult question to answer, but I can tell you that security, at least at our company, is a super high priority. It's something that we take pretty seriously. Do you go cloud or local? I think that depends on how big of a risk do you think it is that the internet's going to blow up one day and that it would be actually useful to have things installed locally? Do you trust your IT people more than the vendor's IT people at maintaining that one app? At Jernix, we're really great at keeping our own app up and running for all of our cloud customers, which is in the neighborhood of 2/3 of our customers. The great thing is the ability to do both. If you have that in a vendor, you can always change your mind later.